been looking for cables, and eventually I found this. This is like the Lazy Susan sampler version. You're going to be developing this, and I don't know if you recognise these numbers from last time.
Those are...
Yes.
Those are...
You.
So
I've already thought about it.
So you want those to be wires?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool.
Do you want to try recording a loop while it's drawing?
And then I'll have all the wires in the middle.
What, the ones in my pockets?
No. Yeah.
It's a wire. Loads of wires in a box.
Ah, I think I see.
So the version that we're going to make is, we're going to make two different versions of this. One of these is really super easy to put together, and this one is the same idea, but
more complicated.
The thing about it is that it needs to be more permanent, and so that's why we need to have all the wires and stuff. On the other one, we can just use crocodile clips and tin foil. I think we've done that once before. Maybe.
Once the wires are all neat and that, we could play it from one person and then like be able to turn it round to the next, like a little board game.
Would you like?
For me, with this, for the big box, I would probably have buttons like this. But for the small, I'll probably just have regular small buttons. Like to change music, for me, that would change the way I feel about music and the way I write, because it would give me inspiration on how to do songs.
This is what I like.